Hello everyone, myself Sai Prasad, a lecturer in Elizabeth High School and the Junior College. Welcome to a series of the lectures of Intermediate Second Year Maths A. We started a discussion with our chapter Binomial Theorem. What did we learn? Again the same, starting with the expansion, then the terms, right? In the recent sessions, we have started the expansion of different terms such as if the power has a fractional term, negative fraction, right? So based on those formulas and everything, we were doing few sum of infinity terms, right? Fine. With the continuation of that, let us do few more problems of the same kind. Okay. Now see here. The question is given as, show that 3 into 5, 5 into 10 plus 3, 5, 7, 5, 10, 15 and so on up to infinity is 5 root 5 by 3 root 3 minus 8 by 5. Don't get scared of this answer. We'll easily get it. Just see how to do. The question is given as, let us say S is equal to 3 into 5 by 5 into 10 plus 3, 5, 7 by 5, 10, 15 plus 3, 5, 7, 9 by 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on up to infinity. Right? So how do we segregate this? I already told we'll have something common in numerator. 3 is 5 is fixed. Here 5, 10 we will write as 1 into 2 into 1 by 5 whole square. Isn't it? Since we have two 5's here, we will write as whole square. Here 3, 5, 7 by 1, 2, 3 into this is 1 by 5 whole cube. Right. Here 3, 5, 7, 9 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 by 5 whole power 4 and so on up to infinity. Right. Now if you compare it with 1 minus x whole power minus p by q ka term, will have 1 plus p by 1 factorial into x by q plus p into p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square plus p plus 2q by 3 factorial into x by q whole cube and so on. If you observe this formula, we have directly 2 factorial here, right? What about these two terms? You don't have them, right? So in order to find this, we have to compare and find the values of that, right? So just see here, what is p here, or else let me just compare it here. P we have 3, right? X by q is 1 by 5. However, it is plus q. So let me add 1 plus 3 by 5. 3 by 5 on both sides. Clear? How do we add? S plus 1 plus 3 by 5 is equal to 1 plus 3 by 1 into this will be 1 by 5 plus 3 into 5 by 1 into 2 into 1 by 5 whole square 3, 5, 7 by 1, 2, 3 into 1 by 5 whole cube. What is this? Just compare now. What is p here? 3. Now, okay, let me write everything here itself. P is 3. What is x by q? X by q is 1 by 5, isn't it? X by q is 1 by 5. What is p plus q? P plus q is 5. Now just substitute the value of p here. This will be 3 plus q is equal to 5. The value of q will be 2. The value of p is 3. What about the value of x? X ka value will be x by 2 is equal to 1 by 5. X is equal to 2 by 5. Now I got the value of p, q and x. We can directly substitute them in this formula. Right? 1 plus 3 plus, this is s plus 1 plus 3 by 5. What it will be? 5 ones are 5 plus 3 by 5. That is 8 by 5 is equal to 1 minus x power minus p by q. That is 1 minus 2 by 5 power p by q, that is minus 3 by 2. What do we get? s plus 8 by 5 is equal to 5 minus 2 is 3 by 5 minus 3 by 2, that is simply 5 by 3 power 3 by 2, right? So what do we get the answer now? S is equal to 5 power 3 by 2 is nothing but 5 root 5, 3 power 3 by 2 is nothing but 3 root 3. This 8 by 5, if it comes this side, this will be like minus 8 by 5. Is it not simple? We thought that question is very difficult and it is kind of complex to simplify. But the only main thing you have to remember here is whatever they gave, we have to compare it and write it in the form of 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. In the previous problems, we added only one term. But as of now, here we have added two terms, that is 1 and one more is 3 by 5. How did we know that it has to be added only 3 by 5? That is only when you clearly understand the relationship between these terms and this formula. How do you identify simply? Just check the denominator. We have only 2 factorial. So whatever the terms before that, we have to add them on the both sides. Yes, without adding them, we will not get this particular expansion. Is it clear? Did you understand? Shall we move on to the next problem? Let's do. Look at the next question here. He gave, find the sum to infinite series 7 by 5 into 1 plus 1 by 10 square, 1 into 3 by 1 into 2 into by 1 by 10 power 4, 1 3 5 by 1 2 3 into 1 by 10 power 6 and so on. So how do we segregate this? So let us assume S is equal to 7 by 5 into 1 plus 1 by 10 square, 1 into 3 by 1 into 2 into 1 by 10 power 4, 1 3 5 by 1 2 3 into 1 by 10 power 6 and so on. Clear? So for this question, let us take the 7 by 5 onto the left hand side, that will be 5s by 7. Clear? And let us segregate now these all. 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial into, since if you observe here it is 10 square, here it is 10 power 4, 10 power 6, it's increasing. So let us take the term instead of 10, let me take it as 100. 100 square, 100 cube, you can get it, right? So this will be 1 by 100 plus 1 into 3 by 2 factorial into 1 by 100 whole square, 1 3 5 by 3 factorial into 1 by 100 whole cube and so on. Is it right? So now if we observe, this is completely in the form of our formula. What was it? Now 1 minus x whole power minus p by q is equal to 1 plus p by 1 factorial into x by q, p into p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square, p plus q, p plus 2q by 3 factorial into x by q whole cube and so on. Is it right? Now if you observe, what is p here? 1. Here p is 1. What is x by q? That is 1 by 100. What is p plus q? That is 3. P is 1, obviously q will be 2. From that, x by 2 is equal to 1 by 100. The value of x will be 1 by 50. Clear? I got the value of p, x and q. Okay. So what will be my term? 5s by 7 is equal to 1 minus x power minus p by q minus 1 by 2. Is it right? So 50 minus 1, that is 49 by 50 whole power minus 1 by 2, or simply 50 by 49 power 1 by 2. Okay. Now see here. 5s by 7 is equal to root 50 by root 49, or simply s is equal to 7 by 5 into, what is root 50? 25 into 2. So I can write it as 5 root 2 divided by root 49 is 7. 5 5 7 7 got cancel. I will get the value of s as root 2. Is it simple? Fine. What is the difficulty here? Only the 7 by 5. That's why we have taken 7 by 5 beforehand to the left hand side. Clear? We got everything here itself. We need not go to the other thing. And second thing, no one will get an idea of writing this square 4, 6 as 100. So, until unless you practice, you will not get that kind of ideas, isn't it? After that, again, since it is a big number, however, we got the answer directly. Clear? Is it easy? Shall we go to the next problem? Let's do. Look at the next question here. He gave if x is equal to 1 into 3 by 3 into 6 plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 369 plus 1357 by 36912 and so on. He is asking us to prove this condition. 9x square plus 24x is equal to 12. Till now we have seen everything direct finding sum of infinity terms. Second, we also did 90 equal to 16. It was so simple. But here thing is he gives some kind of equation so that we have to get the value of x in a typical way. How to get, and this is a kind of important question, so better concentrate. Now see here, we need not assume, however he gave directly. So let me write x as 1 into 3 by 3, 6. What is common? 3. 1, 2. How many 3's? 2 times. Is it right? By here you would have got an idea. 1, 3, 5 divided by 1, 2, 3 into 1 by 3 whole cube. Right? Plus 1, 3, 5, 7 by 1, 2, 3, 4 into 1 by 3 whole power 4 and so on. Is it clear? Fine. Or let me write still more in clarified way by 2 factorial. Now you would have got an idea till now. Yes. Plus 1, 3, 5, 7 by 4 factorial into 1 by 3 whole power 4. Is it clear? Now we have to compare. That is, compare it with 1 minus x whole power minus p by q is equal to 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial into 1 by 1 factorial into p by 1 factorial into x by q plus p into p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square, p into p plus 2q by p into p plus q into p plus 2q by 3 factorial into x by q whole cube and so on. Right? For this, what is p here? We have directly 2 factorial here, so we don't have this number. So how do we get? P is 1 by 3 is x by q, so we have to add 1 plus 1 by 3 on both sides. So now we have to add 1 plus 1 by 3 on both sides, isn't it? So what do we get? X plus 1 plus 1 by 3 on left side. On the right hand side it will be like 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial into 1 by 3. Yes, fine. Plus 1 into 3 by 2 factorial into 1 by 3 whole square plus 1, 3, 5 by 3 factorial into 1 by 3 whole cube and so on. Right? Now just compare. Here what is P? P is 1. What is x by q? X by q is 1 by 3. What is p plus q? 3. Okay. Now just substitute p equal to 1 here. 1 plus q equal to 3, q equal to 2. Let us substitute q here. X by 2 is equal to 1 by 3, x is equal to 2 by 3. I got the value of p, x and q. Done. Now what will be our next step? Just substitute everything here. So x plus 1 by 3, that is x plus 3 plus 1, that is 4 by 3, that is equal to 1 minus x power minus p by q. Is it done? Minus 1 by 2. So that will be x plus 4 by 3 is equal to 3 minus 2, that is 1 by 3 power minus 1 by 2. Is it clear? What is it? Just swap it. That will be 3 power 1 by 2. Simply, here LCM is 3x plus 4 by 3 is equal to root 3. Okay, let me transfer this also to that side. 3x plus 4 is equal to 3 root 3. Right? Do we have single x term here? So, we have square term there. So, let me square it on both sides. What do we get? Square on both sides. I will get it as 3x plus 4 whole square is equal to 3 root 3 square. 9x square plus 16 plus 3 4s are 12, 12 2s are 24x is equal to 3 square is 9, 9 3s are 27. So, 9x square plus 24x is equal to 27 minus 16, which is 11. Is it clear? Is it simple or not? Yes, it is actually simple, but see here once again. He gave the value of x. We could write everything in terms of 1 into 3 by 1 into 2 into 1 by 3 whole square. We did 2 factorial, 3 factorial and 4 factorial. When we compare it with our standard formula, we directly got the value of 2 factorial here, but they missed the first two terms. That's why we have added 1 plus 1 by 3 on both sides. Why only 1 plus 1 by 3? Because the value of p is 1 here and the value of x by q is 1 by 3. By seeing here also we can directly do it. So, if we add 1 plus 1 by 3 on both sides, the whole thing will be in the same standard form. So, if I compare it with p, x by q and p plus q, I will get the value of p, x and q. Then we will substitute in the formula of 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. Then substituting, simplifying, squaring on both sides will get the theorem as, simple proof as 9x square plus 24x equal to 11. Is it simple or not? Yes, it is simple only when you can easily understand this formula. And if you observe one thing, I have written this formula for almost all, I have written this formula for all the problems. Why? Usually we don't write formulas all the time, but we write this formula in every problem. Okay? It not just carry marks, but also it is very important to compare each and every term with the expansion. If it is simply an expression or a simple step, yes, we know we can compare it with a standard formula a plus b whole square or whatever it is. But here it is an expansion. That's why it is very important to write formula in all the problems. Right? And don't forget, it also carries marks. Clear? And this kind of problems, how many varieties we did? We did sum of n terms, sum of infinity terms. We did varieties. We have, without adding one thing, by adding only one, and second by adding only two terms. Okay, and we did 90 equal to 16 and this kind of expressional problems also. Right? We can have more problems of this variety. Clear? Is it okay? So, it is better to remember this formula for all the problems. Fine? Good. This is for today. Let us meet in the next session with the more problems of binomial theorem. Thank you.